first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and disconnect the bag. Slide the bag off. Go ahead and place the bag wherever you desire to. We're going to disconnect the safety cables. Bring the electrical out here as well. You're going to bring your tow bar up 90 degrees. There is a locking mechanism behind here. We're going to go ahead and release that locking mechanism. Now, if you let your tow bar just drop and let go of it, your tow bar will fall and hit the ground. We definitely do not want that. Okay, I like to rest it on my knee to help support it. Once the bushings get worn in, this thing can move side to side. So if you possible have a second person to help you, definitely have them grab onto the other side of the bar. Okay, we're going to go ahead and release the clips here. Pull your pin up. Go ahead and slide your pin out. Go ahead and spread the arms open here. Now how there is nuts on this side of it and Allen head on this side. We like the nuts facing down on the ground. If there is a shaft that goes through this, if this ever comes loose, if this is facing like this shaft could vibrate out of it and this could come disconnected from here. So we definitely like to have the nuts facing down. Go ahead and slide this out here. Take your base pin, slide your base pin back through here. Now if you look at the base pin, there is a hole in there. So we're going to go ahead and slide the base pin back through. You want to get the holes lined up with the top of the hole here. Go ahead and take your pin here and slide your pin over. Go ahead and slide that through and lock that into position there. We're going to go over to the other side and do the same thing. So support it with your knee. Go ahead and bring the clip up, pull your pin out, pull your safety pin out, and once again, nut side facing down. Go ahead and bring this over. We're going to bring this in here. Go ahead and slide your base pin through. Once again, the pin is going to go through the hole, second lock into position. Okay, and we have your safety cables. Safety cables are going to go into your safety hook here. We're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. Then we have your electrical cable. The electrical cable has 2 screws on the bottom of it. We like screw side facing down. If you take a look here, there is a notch on the top of that. But if you look inside of your cover, you have a notch on the top as well as the bottom. We'd like the notch facing up. Go ahead and push that in there, nice and firm. Make sure that is connected. That's nice and firm there. The next part of it we have is going to be your breakaway. What this does is, if this ever gets pulled, it'll activate the braking system that we installed in the towed vehicle for you. It takes 40 pounds of pressure to pull that pin out. So we're going to take your safety cable. We're going to bring this over here. We're going to loop it through your existing toe here. And we are going to clip this to itself. Your vehicle is all hooked up.